ERP not delivering in the executive suite? My unique 7-step ERP Success Recipe will enable you to fix your ERP. I've investigated dozens of substandard ERP implementations and advised clients how to turn them around. I've developed a unique 7-step process that, if accurately followed, will guarantee you an excellent ERP outcome for your existing ERP. This video is to share this with you. You're not alone. Interview with the CEO of a FTSE 100 company. Please rate your big brand ERP. Operationally, 8 out of 10. Strategic executive level information, 1 out of 10. So we see strategic focus is critical, but it's largely not understood. And he is not alone. Gartner, 55 to 75% of ERP projects do not deliver what was promised. 2 counterpoints. The auditors left after 6 weeks. Last year they were here for 6 months. We have masses of management information and profitability has improved. Facilitated growth, new distribution center a necessity. Positioned ASCO as an industry leader in the management of information and therefore brand management in its category. Secured the Dior account, highly prestigious, with an immediate 12% revenue uplift. How would you like? Your ERP, data warehouse, and business intelligence are a high-performance strategic information engine. Answers to questions you've not previously thought to ask. The ERP has become an indispensable part of decision-making across the business. This is discussed in detail in the free, no-obligation 7-step recipe masterclass. The 7 steps, which we'll discuss in detail in the masterclass, correctly applied delivers world-class strategic effectiveness, leading to improved profitability and growth, what I call a Thrive outcome. Take action now. Learn the recipe. It's been said that if you do not act on a new idea within 48 hours, you probably never will. So register now for my free masterclass outlining the 7-step ERP Success Recipe with tips for immediate action. To obtain a link to the masterclass, please click on the link in the email which delivered the link to this video. If you want more information, please stay on for the next few minutes. The story behind the ASCO success. I had just completed my lecture to the Gibbs Executive MBA class on IT governance, and a delegate approached me. Dr. Robertson, my name is Robert. I'm sitting with a failed ERP implementation. Can you help me? Robert was the CEO and half owner of a family-owned fragrance import and distribution business. We met a few days later and I proposed my standard pulse measurement. I conducted the pulse measurement and made recommendations. Step 1, CEO custody. My recommendations were accepted and I took on the project leadership, working closely with Robert as executive sponsor and myself as strategic ERP project leader. Step 3, strategic alignment. It was agreed that the strategy of the business, the essence of the business and how it thrived, was brand management. Step 5, precision configuration. My major focus in my role was precision configuration, and I worked closely with Robert. In particular, we developed a highly structured brand hierarchy in the product class. This enabled me to specify bespoke software to maintain the quality of the master data and also to integrate the product module with the projects module. The outcome was a powerful brand management capability, giving budget per month per brand line across 29 expense heads for every 12-month budget cycle. Step 6, prove it works, the laboratory. We tested the ERP exhaustively. Break it till you cannot break it anymore. Step 7, make it work, go live. Go live went flawlessly. 1 year on, sales and profits were up. Dior contacted Robert and said, we've heard what you can do in terms of brand management. Our present distributor cannot do that, so we want to give the distribution to you. This led to a 12% overnight revenue uplift. I subsequently wrote 2 case studies with Robert that were presented at conferences, the highest accolade that a client can give a consultant. The outcome. Facilitated growth, new distribution center necessity, and you see the new premises down the bottom left. Developed a highly analytical culture, positioned ASCO as an industry leader in the management information and therefore brand management in its category. Secured the Dior account with an immediate 12% revenue uplift. The 7-step ERP recipe masterclass will teach you how to do this. So those are the 7 steps, and in the masterclass we'll go into that in depth. Take action now, learn the recipe. It's been said if you do not act on a new idea within 48 hours, you probably never will. To obtain a link to the masterclass, please click on the link in the email which delivered the link to this video. I guarantee you will take away at least one action you can apply immediately, and quite frankly, I believe you'll take away a lot more. In the masterclass, I'll take you through the recipe, I'll explain each step, and I'll give you pointers for action. I look forward to hearing from you. I'm very confident that this is a high-value opportunity and that you will get a lot of information out of the masterclass. So please click on the link in the email and register for the masterclass, and you'll get the link to the masterclass by return. Thank you so much.